Today we're making something that's both delicious and fun, French toast sticks. We all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but it can get a little boring. That's why we're here to add some excitement to your morning with these dippable, delicious sticks. First thing first, we're going to slice the bread into sticks. I'm going to be using 8 slices of good old sandwich bread, and I'm going to slice those into about 1.5 inch to 2 inch slices. Can you see it now? It's going to be breakfast and a game all in one. Set aside your Lincoln Logs, or I mean sticks, and let's make the mixture. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of milk with 4 large eggs and 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk everything together until the mixture is smooth. We've got our mixture and our sticks, so we're going to head over to the stove. Heat a griddle or frying pan over medium-high heat. Add a little bit of butter or oil to that pan. Take the sticks and fully saturate them in that mixture. Shake the excess off and place them in the hot pan. Let those sticks cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once they're golden brown on both sides, remove them from the pan. Work in batches until they are all finished off. And there you have it, French toast sticks that you can dunk away and enjoy. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.